In vivo anti-angiogenic activity of 2-methoxyestradiol in sarcoma. 180 tumor cell line. By Sarbantika Malik and Samarendra Nath Banerjee. Cancer is a complex genetic disease. Since the last few decades, the incidence of cancer has increased in different parts of the world, and now the situation is very alarming. Cancer or tumor cells are disorganized, mitotically uncontrolled, and autonomous rays of cell populations, which consistently violate the basic rules of cell division. Most primary tumors arising in humans are benign. Benign tumors are harmless in a sheath of fibrous tissue, with a few exceptions. It cannot spread through other tissues. Some tumor cells may cause clinical problems and harm that migrate to distant body sites, forming secondary tumors. This process is known as metastasis, which is dependent on angiogenesis. The process of angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels from pre-existing ones, is a fascinating and critical aspect of tumor growth and metastasis. This intricate process, which involves a complex interplay of factors, is a crucial area of research in the fight against cancer. Most cancer treatments aim to target metastasis. Presently, surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, combination chemotherapy, immunotherapy, hormone replacement therapy and anti-angiogenic therapy are standard methods of cancer treatment. Low-dose chemotherapy combined with an anti-angiogenic drug therapy presents a promising approach to cancer treatment. The combination treatment of low-dose cyclophosphamide, a cost-effective chemotherapeutic drug, with 2-methoxyestradiol, a novel anti-angiogenic component, significantly enhances therapeutic efficacy. This is evidenced by the increased frequency of non-viable cell population, apoptosis, and survivability rate of the tumor-bearing host. 2-methoxyestradiol, 2-ME, an endogenous estrogen metabolite, has been identified as a significant player in cancer therapy. Its ability to induce antiproliferative and apoptotic activities against proliferating cells and growing tumors, coupled with its dual nature of stimulating and inhibiting tumor angiogenesis and growth, underscores its importance in the field. Therefore, the biology of cancer cells is different than normal cells, and cancer biology research involves the realization of the biology of cancer to develop more avenues to diagnose, prevent, and treat cancer. This study provides an overview of some aspects of cancer biology. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.